What's up, guys? Aaron Collier here. Today I want to go over my Facebook marketing strategy, guys. This is part one out of many videos I'm going to be doing, sharing this strategy, guys. So basically I wanted to share with you this awesome strategy I've been using on Facebook to generate leads and income 100% free. So this is going to be your daily action guide for making a consistent cash flow in your business, guys, using just your Facebook profile. So that way you can create a life that you want and deserve for you and your family. So the strategy I'm about to share will help you generate leads consistently and cash flow, guys. All right, so before I even begin, the number one key to this formula, which I'm about to share, is consistency. So let's go ahead and just jump right in and get started. So with consistency, guys, your life can change over the next 3 to 4 months with just this one strategy I'm about to show you. If you implement this strategy daily, you can literally be crushing sales consistently. With that said, success and income is not guaranteed. Each member's income depends on their own efforts, work ethic, and hard work. Just like in life, if you do nothing, you get nothing. So let's get started with your daily action plan, and let's plan for massive online success, guys. So first off, you want a great looking profile picture, guys. Get a close-up picture of yourself so that people can see that you're genuine and not just some online marketer hiding behind a computer screen. So here's just an example of my profile picture, guys. This is just a simple picture of my wife and I. I believe we're out on a date this night. But so really what you just want to be smiling in your photo. You want people to see you smiling. If you have a good smile, then that picture is going to be a winner, guys. So a smile makes you look approachable, and that's what you want people to see in order to approach you. And this is an example of what you don't want, guys. So like I said, you want a real picture of yourself, not just some generic Facebook profile picture or a picture with animals or any kind of weird image, guys. You want a real picture of yourself, okay? The second thing you want is to have a cover photo that reflects your lifestyle, guys. So this is a cover photo I've used in the past. It's just a picture with me and my daughter, and just a quote on the picture there, guys. So if you show people that you're at least building a life that you love, either through traveling, spending quality time with family, then this will really draw people to you, because your profile picture or cover photo picture is a reflection of what they want, guys. So portray positive lifestyle. Even if you still have a job, people are going to really admire you for that. Another thing is you're going to really watch what you're posting on Facebook. No negativity allowed here, guys. If you're posting a ton of negativity, then good luck closing people in your business. Just, make sure that you post stuff that will help people in their business. Keep them motivated to do business, maybe through like inspirational posts, and also post personal pictures with what's going on in your life with your family. You want to get people to know, like, and trust you. All right, so in the next video I'm going to show you some examples of what I do on my Facebook profile to get tons of likes, comments, things like that. Just positive stuff, guys. Here we are at my Facebook profile, guys. So this is a post I did just last night. So basically it says, "Oh my gosh, almost had a nervous breakdown today. Was teaching my teenage son to drive. Traumatized," right? So it's just kind of something that's a little funny, has to do with my family, but really was a scary moment for me, to tell you the truth. So, but here we go. So I got 88 likes on this simple post, guys, and 34 comments, all right? So, that's pretty awesome. Let's see what else we got real quick. Something inspirational here. You only fail when you stop trying. Keep going. Happy Sunday, guys. That was a couple days ago. 25 likes, 10 comments, 2 shares. All right, so guys, just posts like this, they get more attention than if you're posting about your business all the time, guys. So once in a while, I'll do a business post. Not too many though. Maybe 1 a day, 2 a day at the most. If I'm posting a lot that day. So here's another one. All in or nothing. Decide. And so we got 39 likes, 18 comments on that, guys. You want to come across as a leader, guys. So if your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, then you are a leader. So, on Facebook, when you're making posts, keep that in mind, guys. If you don't come across as a leader, someone of value, or someone people would like to work with, then your profile picture needs to change. At the bottom of the video in the description, I'm going to put my Facebook profile link so you guys can send me a friend's request. If you want me to check out your profile for you, I can do that. Give you any tips. I'd be more than happy to do that. Okay, so once your Facebook profile is set up and good to go, you need to start connecting with people and building relationships. Now with Facebook alone, there's an unlimited amount of people to connect with. So stay tuned for part 2, Finding Unlimited Leads with Facebook. This is when it gets really interesting, guys. So subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment. Let me know what you thought or if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.